Right, so for today's video, I'm gonna show you the code for the daily cipher as of June 27, 2024. So the code is miner, MINER. Okay, let's go ahead and check in for the daily cipher. Okay, so for the long press, that is for one dash, and short press is for one dot. Let's have long press, two long press, two dash, that's M, and then two dot, okay, and dash dot, alright, and another dot, and dot, dash dot. Alright, there you go. Take the prize. That is in total of 1 million. Alright, I hope you can get yours as well. Enjoy mining, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos about Hamster Combat update. Thank you and goodbye.